Module 6. This module covers the payroll feature. It is a follow-through from Module 1, Module 2 and Module 3 where you have enabled and completed the payroll settings. For this, select Payroll from the header. Let's start with Arrears. Here, you will have many additional payroll options. Arrears include any reimbursement against an expense incurred by an employee on behalf of the company. To add, simply head to Add Arrear on the top left corner. Select the information from the options. Enter the amount and reason. Then click on Save. Moving on to Salary Advance. Click on Add Salary Advance. Select the details and enter the amount and state the reason. Save the details. The recovery month here indicates the month from which the advance amount will be deducted from an employee's salary. Next up is Loans. Click on Add Loan on the top right corner. Select the details and enter the amount and the reason for loan. Now, select the number of installments for repayment. This is usually deducted from the employee's salary. Once you select the number of installments, it automatically calculates the deduction amount recovered with each installment. Finally, select the start date for the recovery, state your reason, and save this information. Moving on to deduction. Select Add Deduction and enter relevant information. And choose the deduction type from the drop-down options. Enter your reason for deduction and click Save. Once the deduction is done or you want to cancel the deduction, simply turn off the status here. Finally, once all the information is entered, head to Process Payroll. Select from needed options available. And download a payroll report of the information. This brings us to the end of the payroll module.